So next topic is common factors. Common factors, let's say you have to find common factors of 75 and 60. So common मतलब क्या होता है? Same. And factors, you know how to find out the factors of the numbers. So what you will do, first you will write factors of 75 and then you will write factors of 60 and then you will find that what are the common factors of 75 and 60. So factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. And factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 30 and 60. So now you have to find that which all factors are common in both the numbers. 1 is common, ठीक है. Next is 3. 3 is coming here also. Next is 5. 5. Next 15. 15. 25. 25 is not present here. Next is 75. 75 is also not present. So what are the common factors? The common factors are, you'll write the common factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. So this is the answer. Next topic is common multiples. Now first you have to find out the multiples of the numbers and then you have to see what are the common multiples. Let's say you have to find first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3. First you write multiples of 2. 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 16. 18. 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and so on.
Multiples of
3. 3 ones are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39 and so on. सबसे पहले हम कॉमन मल्टीपल्स देखेंगे. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. 2 इज नॉट प्रेजेंट हेयर. 4 इज नॉट प्रेजेंट हेयर. 6 इज प्रेजेंट. नेक्स्ट 8 नो. 10 नो. 12. नेक्स्ट इज 14, 16, 18. 18 is present. Next is 20, 22, 24. 24 is present. 26, 28, 30. 30 is present. So we have to find first 5 common multiples. So first 5 common multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. So these are the first 5 common multiples. Next topic is co-prime numbers. Now let's say I am taking two numbers. Let's say 13 and 20. I have taken two numbers 13 and 20. first find the factors of 13. Factors of 13 are 1 and 13 itself. Why? Because 13 is a prime number. Then write down the factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So these are the factors of 20. Now you have to find the common factors of 13 and 20. What are the common factors of 13 and 20? 1. 1 is the only common factor of 13 and 20. Therefore, 13 and 20 are co-prime numbers. The numbers which have only 1 as their common factor, those numbers are known as co-prime numbers. Like when I'll take one example of 2 and 5. 2 and 5 mein the only common factor is 1. 2 and 3. Again the only common factor is 1. 4 and 15. Again the only common factor is 1. So these all pairs are co-prime numbers. Single number co-prime नहीं होता. Single number is prime number. और अगर co लिखा है co-prime numbers, then it means it is a pair of numbers. The pair of numbers in which only 1 is the common factor, those numbers are known as co-prime numbers.